Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and on today's recipe list is our kids black soup. You can imagine how glowing this looks already. Alright, let's dive into our video. So today we're going to be using our normal black soap base, which is usually called the Ghana soap, although some people call it the Nigerian soap, but however we usually call it the Ghana black soap as the base. This Ghana black soap is filled with so many nutrients and minerals, natural vitamins that is suitable for the skin and suits all kind of skin. We'll be using just 100 grams of this soap base here. Many people even use this soap alone, so mixing it with other ingredients will only help to boost its effect and perhaps for a precise use. I'll also be using three white ball soaps, or white Ghana soaps as you may call it. These soaps are also rich in nutrients and minerals, and they also help our soups to lather very well. Into these soaps, I'll be adding my herbal soap, which I also call omiaro. This soap contains so many nutrients and it is gotten from the residue of making the normal black soap. I'll also be going in with a little bit of my natural honey. These children, they need this honey in their soap. Also, I'm going to be massaging with my hand. Note that I didn't use a mortar and pestle for this because it's actually a small quantity and I can actually get it mashed with my hands. Now, also note that children do not need too much ingredients in their black soap because they are not fighting anything like acne or pimples or whatsoever. So what they are only looking for in their skin is how to make their skin soft and smooth and radiant as well. And those who want to have a top up glow, you can also use this recipe, but adding chemicals to tone the skin for this recipe is a no. So after mashing till this point, I'm going to be adding my powders, a very few powders that will just be suitable for your skin. The first here is the camwood powder. I'm adding just a tablespoon of camwood powder. Camwood helps to brighten the skin and will also help to fight rashes on the skin. It will help to get rid of wrinkles, thereby making the skin smooth and making the child look more younger, radiant, and looking more beautiful. It will fasten the soap to make the child's skin glow and looking more radiant. The next powder we'll be adding here is our neem powder. Neem powder is packed with a lot of antibacterial and antifungal properties that will help to fight this kind of conditions in this children's skin, like ringworms, rashes, rough skin, dull skin, and a whole lot more. And so this will also assist the camwood powder to make their skin more radiant and glowing. And so the next and very important powder to add to their recipe is our milk. Here I'm using the goat milk powder. Goat milk is a protein that will help to nourish these children's skin and will help them to have a healthy skin cells. So it is very important here. You can add more than a tablespoon. Also, I'll be going in with a tablespoon of shea butter. Then I'm going to be mixing this powders slightly before adding my oils. Please, if you're new to this channel, help me hit that subscribe button, and if you're a returning subscriber, know that I love you so very much. So the first oil I'll be adding here is my vitamin E oil. I recommend vitamin E oil in this recipe because of its numerous effects and because of its role in playing for skin glow. Also, our neem oil will assist our neem powder in fighting bacteria and fungi conditions. The turmeric oil here will help the skin of these kids to glow, especially it will lighten up their skin a bit. And then the coconut oil, or you can substitute with sweet almond oil, will also help for glowing of the skin. I'm going to add additional honey because indeed these children need this natural honey for their skin. And then I'll be mixing again. Now these children need to glow, they need a nourishing skin, they do not need any form of chemicals to fight acne, pimples or whatsoever, and they do not need to tone their skin as well. If they are dark, let their dark skin glow, and if they are light skinned, let their light skin glow as well. Please do not add any bleaching agents to this recipe. I'm using in my hand mixer to mix this thoroughly, because I didn't use my mortar and pestle, and of course it's really not smooth, but that is not an issue. I'm gonna mix for a while, then before I'll be adding my fragrance. So here I'll be using strawberry fragrance for this recipe, so it can smell well. You can use any variety of fragrance that you want, so the children can love this particular soup. Please and please, I'm sounding it this clear, do not bleach your children's skin. There is no use for that. Their skin are too tender to undergo these harsh chemicals and what you call it, natural powders, and the black soap is okay for their skin. If you want to go herbal with your skin, please do not use chemicals, as it may cause damage to their skin, no matter how beautiful they may be looking presently. Okay, so this is soap, and it's I've been able to blend it to this point. I know it's really not smooth. You can go ahead and blend more if you want, but I think I'm okay with this consistency. I'm going to be transferring this into my container. And please, before you use this, allow it to sit for like 24 hours before you start using it on your kid. I made this for my daughter, whose picture is on the thumbnail, and as you can see, she's looking radiant and beautiful, although I don't even use it every time. It's just a normal black soap, it's just a normal body soap, so please consider it as one. Thank you so much for watching. If you have not subscribed, please do that right now. I would appreciate, as that's the only support you can grant me right now. Also, like this video and share to your friends. Follow us on all our social media platforms. You can check the description box in case you want to source for the ingredient. Thank you so much for watching once again, and bye.